So this is just an idea of how I have 16 times my account in the past year with that of the following tools. I use that of the FinViz screener. And of course, I have lots of videos on here how I did that of day trading using that of FinViz back in 2023 and absolutely killed it. And of course, there is that of none other than a Barchart, another one that I've used. And of course, give you a little show how I've of course also done this too, right? So market performance, and of course I'm on the free version right now, but you can go to that of both US or Canadian here. And I'm just going to show you, for an example, that of Canadian. And I'm going to show you where everything is. So, of course, my previous videos, you'll see that I was very interested in that of oil, energy. And one of the last videos was way down here. And now it is way up here. And of course, there's peace in the Middle East, and everything's dropping like a rock right now, but I don't think that's over with yet. They got 2 weeks of worth of peace in there, and yeah, I can see that going back up again. And of course, there is that of materials, and that's been going on a long haul for the last little while. Since that of way back down here in April, and of course, on the market, it's kind of did a little bit of a dip, but I can see that climbing even more again. So that's to give you an idea of where everything's going. As you can see right there, there is that of energy cap, and it's been going very positive, except for the last little while, except for the last a couple of days. 20-day moving average down 9%, 5 days down 12%. And then, of course, there's materials. And that's been up again once more. So those are the stocks that are already trending upwards. And those are the ones that you would like to take a little bit deeper peek at and maybe purchase. And this is how I go about that, of course. This is TSX, S&P, sectors, energies. And of course, it's way up in the air. And of course, you got that of all of your stocks on volume up, and it goes all the way down to whatever you have there. And of course, you can choose by that of main view. I like choosing that of moving averages. You can see which stock is in fact going in the right direction over the last 200 days. And of course, there's speed bumps right now, only because there's peace in the Middle East. So, with all that said, there's that of energy, and you got materials. That's kind of up and down, but overall, it is in fact up. There's lots of speed bumps along the way. This kind of market kind of topping out there. And of course, once more, all the averages. And of course, I would get one of these stocks like this, and then I would have a more informed look at if would I buy this long term or not. I'd put a stock name like this up here into that of Simply Wall Street, and then it would filter out all the noise. And of course, there is a link down in the description about all that what I have to offer there. It's free for the first 30 days, after which it is you have to pay, and I get a nice little slice of the pie at the same time. But this is the one that I've been using in the past year just because it's easier to go long in the stock market, and it's just way easier on the old coconut than day trading, because I did day trading for a good couple of years, and the last 2025 till now pretty much well nailed it. And of course, 16 my count in the past year, so I'm pretty happy with that. And of course, all the other people that know how I did this, of course, I had to put it all on YouTube, and of course go along and at the very bottom of the market, which was out of April 4th, 2025, and now I'm buying on the dip. So anyway, long story short, that's how I do it. So I just simply take a stock here and get all the stock names, and of course put them up here, do the research, and see if I would actually honestly buy that stock or not. This site saves you so much grief. And not only that, but I mean, it's just like 5 minutes a day. I look at buying at the very bottom with the fear and greed index where it's at. And of course, we'll have a little peek at that. Fear and greed index right here. And right now, as you know, it is at a 32. It's gone from that of a 30, from an 18 to a 30 to now a 32. So that says right there that it's on the move up. So now I'm going to start doing that of getting more stock ideas to fill this gap right here and start buying slowly. Not a lot, because I don't think this this whole war thing is over with yet. So I'm buying on that right there. I'm hoping it to go up, down, back down after this ceasefire. I don't think that's going to last, and then go back up again, forming a W formation, just like that of 2025, April 4th, 2025 at the very bottom. This could rinse and repeat right here again. It could. I'm not saying it will or not, but I'm just saying that maybe, hopefully it does. And if it does, that's going to be really good, because that's going to be going to Mars again once more. Anyway, stock price strength right here. And of course, you can see all of that of all of my videos, everything on that of the fear and greed index. There's hundreds of videos on my playlist. I have them all here for you. And this is a longer form video. So anyway, have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for way more. Check out my community page. I'm out to turn family members' money from that of $100,000 into $1 million in the next year. So with all that said, have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for way more. Check out my community page, the Fear and Greed Index, and everything that I do is out the door. Ciao.